Alright, so we're actually doing a circuit that we're going to work power plate. So right now Peter's doing an isometric push-up hold. See, the hips are nice and straight, elbows are slightly bent. So I got it set on frequency of 30, 45 seconds for the duration, and a low amplitude. And then he's going to go right into push-ups, right where he is there, for another 45 seconds. And then I got dumbbells next to him. We're going to do a lower body, squat presses for 45, and then over to the treadmill for elevated jogging, and back here for massage on the power plate. Then we'll take a break. Sounds like a lot, Peter.
My nose is itching.
That's pretty common when it comes to the power plate. All right, you got ready? Go into push-ups. So quite often with the power plate, they want you to do a vibration exercise followed by an earthbound. They call it earthbound at powerplate.com. And I'm sure by the time Peter's done with 45 seconds of this, chest, shoulders, triceps, core are all really feeling it. So we got an upper body strength exercise. Peter, you got about another 10 seconds to go here before we go to the dumbbells. So this circuit is actually very intense. And we're going to do about 4 different circuits. You're just going to see one of them. All right, done. All right, picking up those dumbbells. Reset the clock. And go. Weights over your shoulders. Squat it and press. Perfect. So at this exercise, you're pretty much working everything. Kinetic chain energy is starting through the legs. It's going to come through his hips, through his core, all the way through the shoulders and out his body as he is generating power doing this squat press. So between these couple moves and then 2 minutes worth of elevated jogging, or yeah, I think we can go for elevated jogging. You got 10 seconds left instead of walking. So we get heart rate, full body, and then we'll come back to the plate. All right, done, Peter. Let's head over to the treadmill. You grab the one straight ahead.
Pedro, ¿qué pasa?
All right. So we're going to go with a 4-5 jog. Enter. And 10 elevation. You just have to let me know if it's too much. I'll bring it down to 4-0. And even though it takes a little while to adjust, we're going 2 minutes. So when it hits the 2-minute mark, we're done. If you can jog without holding on, do it. If you need it for safety, then do that. If you tell me it's a little bit too hard, I'll come down and lower that speed. Since very few people are into doing this elevated run, and this has quite an aerobic / anaerobic effect. How's the speed feel?
All right.
Manageable?
Yeah.
All right, good. While he's running, let's take a look at his feet. Full external rotation in that right one. Not too bad, though. Holding on a little, catch a little rest. So this whole circuit, I think right now we're in about 4 minutes. We got another minute here, and then a little bit of massage on that power plate. We'll take a little break, and then we'll go through a whole different circuit with a different upper body strength move, a different lower body strength move, hit the treadmill again, and a different massage on the power plate. For those of you who don't know what the power plate does, it works, the vibration technology works on creating muscle contraction, bone density, and circulation. Something that the Russians came up with in the 60s to use the acceleration portion of Newton's second law, force equals mass times acceleration. Actually back then they were using it for their astronauts in space who had 0 gravity. All right, Peter's almost done. He's at 155. And done. Now we're going to work our way back to the plate. So I want you to sit on the floor facing me. Put your hands on the deck behind you. and get your chest up towards the ceiling so you're stretching out the pecs. Reach your hands back, palms down, reaching your fingers back towards the wall behind you. On the deck. Put them up on there. Not you, just your hands. Sit your butt on the ground. Now you're talking. So since we worked hard on the chest, doing the isometric pose on the power plate and push-ups, we're working on stretching. Now bring your butt all the way to the ground, Peter. Good, and reach your hands back a little bit farther. Fingers towards the machine.
Yeah, I guess when I
Good.
be on the website.
We'll get Bill in there. Bill's killing it over on the rower.
Yeah.
Alright, so Peter's finishing his massage here for the pecs. Then we'll take a break.